So you know, sometimes you can cheat the system, right? It's not always about going through the long drawn out process of making certain foods. For example, here I'm boiling some jambalaya, which is rice and beans blended together with some spices. And guess what, guys? I did not make it from scratch. It came in this pack right here. Red lentil jambalaya, all natural. And you can see the lentil beans and the blend of rice. And I like the fact that it's basically an even blend, if not more beans than rice. You know, so it's a healthier option than just the plain rice. Yeah. And it has the spices, as you can see, or the seasonings, you know, somewhat mixed in also. And the instructions are pretty simple. Them say just add 4 to 4.5 cups of water, bring it to a boil, then you add in the contents of the packet, then turn it down and allow it to simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, and you're good to go. Then you just eat it whatever you want to eat it with. Yeah, so that's what's for dinner today. Jambalaya in the making. I will see if I can show you guys how it turned out. All right, so here you have it, guys. After 25 minutes, this is how the jambalaya looks very delicious, smells delicious, and I know I can already tell it will taste delicious. It also has some tiny bits of what looks like carrots or pumpkin. I'm not sure what that is, but yes, it will be plated in a minute, so we will show you, you know, how it looks plated. All right, cool. Yes, so here we have the finished dish, guys, the jambalaya. And we served it up with this nice fillet of fish. Is it a fillet of fish? Yes, with the tail on. And yeah, it's deboned. And this okra, cabbage, carrot slaw. So yeah, this is our Sunday dinner. And like I said, guys, you don't always have to go the long route. We can just cut the thing short and still end up with a wonderful dish. So this is what's going on in Yardie Belly's kitchen. Thank you for watching. Remember to love, rate, like, share, comment. Everything you can do, do it. We do it for the love. We not do it for the likes, but like it still. All right. So happy Sunday. Peace out.